Unlock your English, mastering, show off your moves. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fun and vibrant expression you might have heard in English, show off your moves. This phrase can add a splash of color to your conversations, and understanding it can help you navigate social situations more fluently. Let's get started and unravel the meaning together. Show off your moves is a phrase that combines two key components, show off and your moves. To show off means to display something proudly or to exhibit something with the intention of impressing others. When we talk about your moves, we're referring to one's physical maneuvers or skills, often in the context of dancing or performing a specific action. Together, this phrase is an invitation or a challenge to demonstrate one's skill or talent in a particular area, usually in a playful or competitive setting. This expression is most commonly used in social and casual contexts where dancing, sports, or other forms of performance are involved. It's a way to encourage someone to demonstrate their talent or to join in on the fun. For example, at a dance party, someone might say, "Come on, show off your moves," to encourage a friend to dance. It's important to use this phrase in a light-hearted and friendly manner, as it's all about sharing joy and talents with others. Understanding the cultural context behind this phrase is crucial. It reflects a celebratory and inclusive attitude towards showcasing talents without shame or hesitation. However, it's also essential to gauge the situation and the company you're in, as the intention is to uplift and not to put someone on the spot uncomfortably. In many English-speaking cultures, being able to show off your moves is seen as a positive way to express oneself and connect with others. To get comfortable using this phrase, try practicing it in different scenarios. Whether you're at a dance class, playing a sport, or even in a video game setting, look for opportunities to encourage others by saying, "Show off your moves." Remember, the goal is to make the interaction fun and engaging for everyone involved. We hope this exploration of "show off your moves" has given you a clearer understanding of this lively phrase and how it can add vibrancy to your English conversations. Embrace the opportunity to express yourself and encourage others to do the same. Happy learning! And don't forget to show off your own moves, both in language and in life.